The question we are going to discuss is: state the requirements for the ventilation arrangement of cargo pump room of an oil tanker. What are the other safeties provided for pump room safety including fire protection? Let's start with the ventilation system. Ventilation system. Cargo pump rooms should be mechanically ventilated and the capacity should be 20 air changes per hour of the total volume of the pump room. The position of the vent outlet should be arranged at a distance of at least 3 meters measured horizontally from any ignition source and the nearest opening to accommodation, service or machinery spaces. An emergency intake located about 2 meters above the pump room lower grating is to be provided. This emergency intake will be used when the lower intake is sealed off due to flooding in the bilges. The emergency intake should have a damper fitted which is capable of being closed from the exposed main deck and lower grating level. Floor gratings should not disturb the free flow of air. The fan blade should be a non-sparking type. Now we will discuss safeties in the pump room. A fixed gas detection system, capable of continuously monitoring for the presence of hydrocarbon gas. Where such equipment is fitted, procedures should be developed to ensure it is regularly inspected and calibrated. Procedures should also be developed with regard to the action to be taken in the event of an alarm occurring, especially for vacating the space and stopping the cargo pumps. Whenever practicable, gas detection should monitor several levels within the pump room, not just the lower area. A fixed sampling arrangement, to enable the oxygen content within the pump room to be monitored from the deck by a portable meter before pump room entry. Where such an arrangement is fitted, it should ensure that remote parts of the pump room can be monitored. Temperature monitoring devices, fitted to the main cargo pumps to provide remote indication of the temperature of pump casings, bearings and bulkhead seals. Where such equipment is fitted, procedures should be developed with regard to the action to be taken in the event of an alarm occurring. A high-level alarm, in pump room bilges which activates audible and visual alarms in the cargo control room, engine room and the navigating bridge. Manually activated trips for the main cargo pumps, provided at the lower pump room level and the top, main deck, level. Spray arresters, around the glands of all rotary cargo pumps in order to reduce the formation of mists in the event of minor leakage from the gland. Examining the feasibility of fitting a double seal arrangement to contain any leakage from the primary seal and to activate a remote alarm to indicate that leakage has occurred. However, the impact of any retrofit on the integrity of the pump will need to be clearly assessed in conjunction with the pump manufacturers. Particular attention is to be given to the adequacy of fire protection in the immediate vicinity of the cargo pumps. Because of the problems associated with flashback reignition after the use of the primary firefighting medium, consideration is to be given to the need to provide a backup system, such as high expansion foam or water drenching, to supplement the existing system. On ships fitted with an inert gas system, the provision of an emergency facility for inerting the pump room could be an option, although careful attention must be paid to the safety and integrity of the arrangement. The provision of emergency escape breathing devices, EEBDs, located within the pump room and sited to be readily accessible. A fire extinguisher of foam type must be present at the bottom platform of the cargo pump room. A deadman alarm must be fitted in the pump room. A Neil Robertson stretcher is to be present on the bottom platform of the cargo pump room. ODMCS oil discharge monitoring control system. Intrinsically safe fire detectors are installed in the pump room for the detection of fire.